Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Elementor for drag and drop UI layouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Elementor, first open your web browser. Navigate to the official Elementor website at elementor.com. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to choose a plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Get Started option. Fill out the registration form with your email address and a secure password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements. Review your information for accuracy. Once everything is correct, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Elementor. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email. This will redirect you back to the Elementor website. You may need to log in using the credentials you just created. After logging in, you will be taken to your Elementor dashboard. From here, navigate to the Download section. Download the Elementor plugin to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to your WordPress dashboard. In WordPress, click on the Plugins tab on the left sidebar. Select Add New from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Upload Plugin button. Choose the Elementor plugin file from your computer. Click Install now to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Activate to enable the plugin. You can now start creating stunning drag and drop UI layouts using Elementor. Explore the features and tools available in the Elementor editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.